In today's video we will discuss the top 13 best hair grease products for natural hair to choose from. If you like your hair to feel good and moisturize daily, like I do, this is the video for you. I know personally I use Shea Moisture for Men on my beard and hair. Please make sure you subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel to stay updated with new videos, releasing Monday through Friday each week. Number 13. Murray Superior Hair Dressing Pomade. Murray Superior Hair Dressing Pomade is one of the best hair pomades for giving you hair a smooth shiny style, and it can be used for all hair type. It should be applied to dry hair with your fingers running from the bottom to the top of your hair, and as earlier stated for other great hair products, it should be used in moderation. This pomade is perfect for styling your kids' natural hair. This is a hair pomade that is sure to do wonders for your natural hair. Murray Superior Hair Pomade has been around for a long while and is often recommended by experts for keeping hair well moisturized. It is a great alternative to edge control as well. However, it should be used sparingly. Number 12. Shea Buttercream Daily Moisturizer for Natural Hair. Shea Buttercream provides maximum hydration for natural hair. You can get to style your hair in amazing ways with this daily hair moisturizer. This everyday moisturizer has vitamin E oil to encourage hair growth and stronger hair strand while also preventing hair loss. It does this by enabling better blood flow to the scalp. It is great for styling your hair and adding shine and softness to it. This moisturizing grease can be perfect for daily use without drying your hair out. Shea Buttercream can be used as a daily hair moisturizer and also perfect for laying your edges. If you do have a 4C hair type with high porosity, then this is a grease moisturizer you should consider buying. This is a bit pricey compared to moisturizers, but is definitely worth buying. This hair grease is not just formulated for natural hair, but it is paraben-free, petrolatum and lanolin-free, which makes it suitable for color-treated hair. It is quite rich and thick in consistency, though so very little of it is needed. This product gives you the best value for what they are offering. Number 11. Lockhart's Hair Pomade. Lockhart's Hair Pomade is just the right hair grease you need to give your hair a high styling capacity. It comes with a sweet lemon scent and also a heavy hold to keep your hair intact through the day. This is just what you need to hold in protective styles like pompadours, jelly rolls, slickbacks, and everything in between. This hair pomade does have a strong hold on any hair type, hence it should be used in little quantity. This hair pomade is a really unique hair product for all hair types, and it gets the job done for any hair type. Less of this is needed for your hair to avoid the tug on your hair, and this is also an extremely popular grease product. This product does a great job of keeping a strong hold on your hair. Number 10. Proline Original Hair Food. This is a really great hair food for natural hair, and it's pretty lightweight, which is why we like it. This hair grease can be used sparingly, and it helps strengthen and restore dry and damaged hair. Proline Original Hair Food is another great hair grease your hair can rely on. It has been formulated specifically to help absorb oil, but this should be used in moderation, and you should make sure you are getting the original product. This hair formula helps you get your natural hair sleek and bouncy without drying it out. However, it is important to use very little of this hair grease. This hair grease helps strengthens dry and damaged hair, and it also helps condition your hair. This is the best lightweight grease. Number 9. Softy Mango Butter Hair Dress. Softy Mango Butter Hair Dress did get lots of reviews from a naturalist who finds it healthy for dressing hair and keeping protective hairstyle neat. It is ultra-rich hairdressing that seals in moisture and hydrates hair and scalp. It is enriched with real mango, shea butter, and coconut oil, which are great for sealing its moisture, and little of this product is needed to style your hair. This is safe for daily use, and the compact design also makes it easy to use, which makes really easy and efficient to use. Softy Mango Butter Hair Dress is made with mango nut butter, which easily conditions your hair and scalp. This grease is perfect for all hair types, and it also helps minimize breakage, which makes it a great essential product for natural hair. This is a product that is great for afro hair. Number 8. Aspiiro Natural Organic Red Onion Hair Oil. You don't have to worry about sacrificing your hair's health with the right grease. Natural hair is naturally dry, hence you need a grease product that hydrates it. Aspiiro Natural Organic Red Onion Hair Oil is a great oil for controlling hair fall. This powerful remedy helps protects and nourishes your hair scalp in a gentle way that won't dry out your hair or cause a knot to form. Red onion is a great source of sulfur which is found within amino acids, and provides lots of benefits to hair when added to hair and scalp. It reduces hair fall and rather promotes hair growth. This is not just a hair grease for natural hair, but formulated to offer you hair other benefits like hair growth, treats color damaged hair, and provides your hair with mineral oil needed to grow strong. Aspiiro Natural Organic Red Onion Oil is effective for both men and women, and it is formulated with red onion oil, castor oil, tea tree oil, and other essential ingredients for hair. The hair is completely free of sulfates, colors and other harmful hair ingredients, hence it can be safely used by color-treated hair. This is also a best value product for your hair. Number 7. Africa's Best Textures Moisturizing Buttercream. If you are in search of hair grease with strong hold and hydrating properties, then you should look towards Africa's Best Textures Shea Butter Curls. It is a curl-defining cream that moisturizes your natural hair. Africa's Best Texture is a moisturizing buttercream for all types of hair. It provides great moisture to your hair, reduces frizz, makes your curls soft and defined. This is an incredible product of hair grease, and you can avoid dryness with it. It gives your natural hair long-lasting hydration. It seals butter and while giving you a protective styling. This hair curling grease works great for kids and adults. You can easily get rid of annoying frizz and get your natural hair styled with very little of this product. This product definitely has the best moisturizing natural hair grease. Number 6. Nature's Blessings Hair Pomade. Nature's Blessings Hair Pomade is great for restoring your hair texture. It is also great for dry and chapped skin. It is also perfect for a dry, brittle hair. It soothes the ends and stops them from breakage. It contains a host of essential oils that promotes healthy hair growth. It is also perfect for restoring overprocessed hair. This product can also be used on dry, chapped lips and dry skin. The smell of this hair pomade is simply wonderful, and coupled with its ability to give your natural hair a vibrant, bouncy look should be reasons to consider it. You only need a very small amount of this product, and with the price it offers, it's definitely worth buying. The last ingredient in this hair grease is mineral oil and might make you want to reconsider, but it's actually hydrating and not drying. It can be used to hold your two-strand twist and prevent it from becoming itchy, and it stimulates healthy growth as well. If you have dry hair, like I do, this is the product for you. Number 5. Scalp and Root Organic Pomade. This pomade is light and not heavy on the scalp like other hair greases for natural hair. It stops itchy and dry scalp, dandruff relief. This organic hair pomade helps with dry scalp, healthy hair growth, and scalp maintenance, but just like every other hair pomade, little of this product is required to help your hair shine and maintain a healthy texture. This is also purely organic with no chemicals, no parabens, no petroleum, and no artificial coloring. Your scalp and root need just as much treatment as your hair strand, hence why this organic hair pomade is recommended. Scalp and Root Organic Pomade are made with at least 95% of organic ingredients, and it meets your natural hair requirement. The formula is quite light, which means it won't weigh your hair down, and it shouldn't have any effect on your sensitive scalp. No matter your hair type, this is the magic formula for you. Number 4. Dax Pressing Oil. If you are looking to increase your natural hair shine and keep it moisturized, then Dax Pressing Oil is worth investing in. This hair grease is made with exotic coconut oil and natural castor oil, which are both natural ingredients that help prevent dry and brittle hair. If used sparingly, it moisturizes your hair and gives you a medium hold that doesn't pull at your hair strand. This hair pomade is not just for giving your hair a firm hold, but also can be used to prevent dryness and breakage on hair. One of the reasons it also stands out is the simple way it's packed, which allows you to use every drop of it without making a greasy mess. Dax Pressing Oil for hair is an extraordinary blend of ingredients like coconut oil and castor oil designed to keep your hair beautiful. It straightens your natural hair superbly well. It is a clear product like regular Vaseline, but a healthier one, and it manages kinky and curly hair. This is a good styling hair grease. Number 3. Blue Magic Originals Castor Oil. Blue Magic Hair Grease happens to be another really healthy hair pomade for natural hair. Its number 1 ingredient is original castor oil. It is made with 100% pure castor oil, shea butter, and aloe vera. A little of this can offer your hair the right amount of grease needed to make a twist out or other protective hairstyles. This is one awesome healthy hair grease you need for your dry and brittle hair. A little amount should be used to avoid oil buildup and scalp clogging. Blue Magic Originals Castor Oil is specifically formulated to condition hair and scalp, and as stated above, it contains ingredients that are lightweight and won't cause product buildup on your hair. It may be a bit heavy for relaxed hair, hence very little quantity should be used. Number 2. Cantu Shea Butter Hair. This is the perfect product for adding texture and moisture to your hair. Cantu Shea Butter is highly recommended for thick coarse hair. This is mainly for dressing your hair and giving it a smooth and shiny texture. A little quantity of shea butter pomade is needed to work effectively well, and knowing your hair texture type before using this product will work unique magic for your hair type. This is regarded as very affordable, and Cantu happens to be a common brand you can trust for its quality products. This hair pomade can be used on texturized, relaxed, colored, and permed hair, which makes an essential hair pomade to invest in if you have color damaged hair. Cantu Shea Butter Hair Dressing Pomade prevents frizz for all hair types, and it has been carefully formulated with ingredients that help you lay down your edges and embrace your curls. This is a must-have hair grease if you do twist your hair a lot. If you are on a budget and you are just starting your journey, this is the best for you. Number 1. Carol's Daughter Mimosa Hair Honey. This would be the best overall for your natural hair journey. For a daily product you can use with your kids, we recommend Carol's Daughter Mimosa Hair Honey. This hair dress pomade has impressively hydrating properties. It contains citrus, which provides your hair with shine and scent. Pomade moisturizes hair and scalp, smooths edges, and controls frizz. It's sure to become a part of your daily maintenance for beautiful hair. It is created for naturally curly and kinky hair, and also perfect for styling a short-cropped 4C curly hair to 1C waves. This product is exceptional and comes with a wonderful scent. Carol's Daughter Mimosa Hair Honey can be used on dry textured hair as well, and this should be used just like every other hair grease, and not to worry about it drying your hair out. It contains natural ingredients that soften and nourish your hair. This hair pomade is specifically formulated for curly dry hair. It can be applied to damp or dry hair. All you need is to gently work into your hair and scalp, or use it to lay your edges. It is packed with nourishing ingredients that prevent it from drying your hair out, but ensure to have it washed properly from your hair. Thanks again for tuning in. If you know of any better hair grease products for natural hair, please leave a comment below in the section. Please make sure you subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel. New videos drop every week Monday through Friday.